Good afternoon again, this is Chris. We're in the AutoQuest 115 and we're going to explain about this whale control panel for the hot water and heating side. Now, we've got the master switch on, so we've got a 12 volt system in the van. The top one we have our hot water and we have our heating button. Now at the moment, the screen is very dull. We go into the water side, push the button, and we come up with a snowflake. Now basically that is just keeping us like a frost setting. If we push the button again, we come to one little wavy line, which is electricity, which comes into about 1 kilowatt. Push again, we scroll up through to 2 wavy lines, 2 kilowatts. Scroll through, we come to a gas flame. Now that means that at the moment we are just running on gas on its own. Scroll through, we get 1 wavy line and gas, which means we are now running 1 kilowatt and the approximation, and we're also running gas at the same time. And the last setting on there is a 2 wavy line and a gas, which basically is your 2 kilowatt and gas at the same time. Now bearing in mind the recommendation, the most efficient way of running this system would be on gas and 2 kilowatts. Scroll back through and we come back to 0 on there, which means we are now have no programs on our hot water. Now likewise, the second button down, that is our heating side, which is a blown air heating system. Once again, we have a plus and minus, and we have a scale along the bottom. Now once again, we've got a snowflake, we've got a nighttime setting, which is half a crescent moon. We can adapt up and down on our thermostat, and you'll see vaguely a little red line climbing the scale. Now that's our thermostat setting. Now to do our power source, push the button and we come straight up to 3 wavy lines. Now on the heating side, that is a maximum of 3 kilowatt. We scroll through, we're now gas only. Scroll through, we've got 1 wavy line and a gas flame. Now again, that is 1 kilowatt and gas. We're running combined fuel sources. Come back through, we go to 1 kilowatt line on its own now. So we've now cut the gas out, we're now using the 1 kilowatt. Then we can come to 2 kilowatts, and then once again 3, gas only, gas and mixture of 1, gas and mixture of 2. Now you notice between the 2 settings we've got 3 kilowatt on the heating, and on the hot water it's only the maximum 2 kilowatt on its own. That is basically the well programmed system in the AutoQuest 115.